Many teams think they are building microservices until one small change breaks everything. That's the distributed monolith trap. Let me show you what it looks like. Key figures in this story: Nina, the product owner; Luka, the lead developer; and I'm Pop, the architect behind the scenes. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Silver subscription? Wow! Still here. Nobody's touched this in months. Finally cleaned that up. Hey guys, quick heads up. The notification service just crashed and the communication platform team is really mad. Again? What's the issue this time? Your shared lib change. Their service still relies on the silver subscription. Templates, translations, everything. And because they needed to update the library for the new feature, they had to pull in your changes. Wait, what? Silver was deprecated. Nobody should be using it. We upgraded all the users to gold. Deprecated? Sure, but it was still in the library. And now it's vanished. If one team's cleanup breaks the other team's work, you're not doing microservices. You're just distributing a monolith. Damn! I thought removing it from our services, subscription, paywall, CMS, would be enough. I didn't realize other teams were using it. They can't ship until this is fixed. Fine. I will reintroduce silver subscription temporarily. That will only postpone the problem. So, what's the alternative? Boundaries, contracts. Okay, but how can we immediately help the communication platform team overcome the problem? Talk to them. They could rebuild silver subscription inside their own bounded context. Use it short term until they remove all the code that depends on it. Harry's Bowl has more boundaries than our system. Yes, we need to talk about versioning, OpenAPI for our REST services, a Schema Registry for our events, and clear ownership in every bounded context. No more sharing domain objects through the libs. Exactly, utilities only. Domains stay inside the boundary. Contracts at the edge. And we generate client code and server code from the contracts. Yes, the spec becomes the source of truth. Code comes from the contract, not the other way around. And boundaries are clear. Crystal clear. That's the only way teams can move without stepping on each other. And that's where we'll leave it for today. If you want to avoid the distributed monolith trap, start with boundaries, contracts, and clear ownership.